Hi everyone, just an explorer. It's Tuesday the 26th of September and we're back at the Forest Rec to check on some more Goose Fair construction update. So let's do this. So first look then, and already such a difference from 2 days ago. As you can see, there's so much more set up. Trying to zoom in a bit for you. As you can see, the other crazy mouse, wild mouse coaster is set up. We've got Infinity over there. Not quite fully complete. I think that's M&D's big wheel. Yeah, such a vast difference from Sunday. I mean, it's 5 PM on Tuesday now. So still 3 full days before, well, 2 days before the fair actually opens on the Friday. So they've got all of Wednesday and all of Thursday to finish off. Let's take a walk down Food Alley and see what we can see. Just want to show some of the lovely vehicles that are in use when they bring these fun fair attractions on. Saw a couple in the last video. There's one from Irvin's. As I mentioned the other day, this is where we really start. Down here, this is mainly a lot of the younger guest rides and a lot of all the different food vendors down here. Some rides still very much not set up yet. And the simulator's back featuring the Pepsi Max. We'll be riding that at the weekend in Blackpool. Very much in situ, but not set up yet. As I mentioned, we won't be here opening day of the fair this year. We're in Blackpool. We're doing a vlog from the Pleasure Beach and maybe a tour of the illuminations there as well. But we'll be back at the fair next week, pretty much daily, so keep an eye on the videos for that as well. And the fun house is already pretty much set up. Looks like this one's going to be £3 per person. And next to a little runaway mine train as well. If you've never been to Goose Fair before, this is a Nottingham tradition. These are all handmade. That is literally what it says. It's like a soft rock, cocks on sticks. Just see an opening here of the field part of the fair. Take a wander down there in a bit. This is where the main bulk of the fair meets Food Alley. The Kentucky Derby there. Traditionally cooked mushy peas. Happy days. looking good. I think that was the one that we saw going up on Sunday. So here we are outside the scout hut then, the stalls going up on Thursday. Looks like they've started to put the lighting and that up outside though. The end of Food Alley. Unusual looking lorry. Pretty cool. Yeah, so end of Food Alley. Pretty much everything you'd kind of expect. So everything from German sausage, kebabs, all your traditional kind of fun fair food. You get brandy snaps, toffee apples, Grantham biscuits. Jobs are good and you can get it all down here. Right, I'm going to try and go down onto the fair and see how far we can go. See two star flyers there. Atmosphere is definitely here because there is the lorry. Directly in front of us appears to be a rotor wall. Let's see what else we can see. The atmosphere is not set up yet, so obviously one of the ones that's just got on here a bit later, but it's all in place and it's pretty much in the same place as last year, so Air Max is there. As you can see, you can't get on to the forest site. It's all fenced off. But I'll bring you what I can, and as I say, I'll come down before, like I did last year, and I'll do a walkthrough while the fair's closed as well as it's open. Yeah, Air Max and the Joker in the distance. It looks amazing with its purple and green colour scheme. On the other side of the spinning coaster, got Mega Spin. A giant fudge company. Storm, and then some Dodgems, and of course one of the Star Flyers. See a Sizzler in the background, some more Dodgems. Another Helter Skelter in the corner. And some more of the lorries that bring the stuff on. Pronounced Noise, N Noise and Sons. It's starting to get a bit darker now. You can see some of them testing light packages like Air Max and over there. And of course the Star Flyer. See right at the end there, there's a jump and smile and a ghost train. The top of the Extreme, and next to that there's a Super Bowl. Bit of a better look at the Joker up there. More Dodgems. Now this was here last year. Bit like a sea storm. In the distance there you can see Red Devil, which is pretty much a carbon copy of Atmosphere. And the Twister. We've got some more trucks for all you truck enthusiasts. They line the perimeter of the site along Gregory Boulevard. Let's see if there's a space in the wall where I can get some more footage from. There's over the falls that we showed you on Sunday, and New York, New York. That was here last year. I think that made its debut here last year. Quite a popular ride. Looks even better in the night when all the lights are on. And then there's Infinity over there. Another gyro swing type ride, doesn't invert. I've got some testing going off. Of Air Max. Is there anyone I've seen testing so far? I do like the little fan that it has on top. I think that's quite cool. second wild mouse, all built. I guess that's pretty much it for today, for what I can show you. So hope you've enjoyed this little construction update. If you like what we do, click like, subscribe, tick that notification bell, drop us a comment. As I say, I'll be back down here on Thursday and we can hopefully show you some more testing, and the big wheel should all be done by then as well. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Take care.